How to make money from transport business in Nigeria or anywhere in the world is what I'm talking to you about today. In my previous video that I made, I spoke about how people make money in transportation. Airlines make a lot of money, is a means of transportation, and in my previous video I gave you a data about the amount of money that the United States airline made in the year 2021. It runs into millions of dollars. The same thing applies to the rail system, where the rail system is functional. The same thing applies to the tube business, where tube business is functional. The same thing applies to road transport business, where the road transport business is functional. So today I'm talking to you about how to make money from transport business here in Nigeria or in any other parts of the world. Number one way to make money from transport business is to set competitive and affordable pricing. Your pricing should be competitive and your pricing should also be affordable. You have to also focus on customer service. You have to train and retrain your workers such that they are going to put the customer first. A customer that is well served today is going to come back again. The customer will not just come back again, the customer will also invite other people to come and partake in your product and in your company and in your transport business. Number three ways that you can make money from transport business is to advertise and market your business. Advertise your business. There are some businesses that are existing, but people don't know that they exist. Why? Because they are not advertised. When you advertise your transport business, it makes people to be aware. So you have to take advantage of digital marketing options like social media and online marketing. Number four way to make money from transport business is to develop an online booking system. A lot of people, transporters, you have to be there physically before you can book. People want to book ahead so that they can be sure that they are going to have a space in the bus or in the vehicle that is transporting them. So develop an online booking system. That is the method that airlines are using. You have to book online. You can't just walk to the airport and say you are traveling and say you want to pay for your ticket at the airport right there without booking ahead. It's going to take you a lot of luck to get a space in such aircraft if you just go directly to the counter about an hour to the takeoff. Then number five way you can make money from transport business is to diversify your services. Diversify your transport business. Offer additional services such as package delivery, shuttle services, and carpooling to expand your customer base. Number six way you can make money from transport business is to utilize technology. Use technology-based solutions to expand and to improve your transport business. Then number seven way is to develop partnerships. Only you cannot do everything. As I'm setting up this YouTube video, there are materials, there are apparatus I'm using behind the scene that do not belong to me. I had to network and get them across to me, and I have other people working with me and looking at how things are going. That is what we call partnership. Even right there on YouTube, I have partners. Even right there outside of YouTube, I have partners who look at my video and tell me how it is going. These people are already in it, and there are different points at different levels, at different branches of YouTube and video marketing. Then you have to invest in safety and maintenance. Properly maintain your vehicles and invest in safety equipment like cameras, GPS, and other tracking technologies. You have to invest in safety and maintenance. Now, if there's a single crash, can take up more than 10 profits you've made in transport business. So you have to invest in maintenance of your vehicle and in safety. Give your drivers time to sleep. Give them time off to sleep and ensure that they really sleep. During this time off, you still pay them, and that will make them to really go to bed so that they can be re-energized. Number 9 way you can make money from transport business is to join professional organizations. Become part of a professional organization related to the transport industry to stay up to date on industry trends and network with other business owners. Don't be a lone ranger. Yesterday I went to the park. It is Christmas period in the world now, and I went to the park where people travel interstate yesterday. And you know what? they park where buses will line up waiting for people. Now I saw people waiting without buses, so the people are waiting for buses. Why? Because this festive season. Now there are some people, maybe they are somewhere, maybe you are doing your business in another state, side of the state, and then if you are networking and you don't have clearance, they can invite your vehicle and say, come and pick up these customers, these passengers that are here. So join professional networks and network. Then monitor and review your business. Constantly evaluate your pricing. Check your customer service and marketing strategies to ensure your profitability. There are some times that the price go up when there's a fuel price hike, transport fare has to go up. But if you still keep it at the rate you were charging before, what you see will happen? What is going to happen is that you are going to be losing a ton of profit. So you have to monitor and review your business. Then number 11 is to invest in driver training. The importance of driver training cannot and can never be overemphasized. You have to train and retrain your drivers to ensure your drivers are up to date on safety regulations and customer service standards. Provide regular and effective training for them, and this training you have to even pay them so that they will be wanting to attend more training, and you evaluate them. And drivers that do well on the road, that do not record accident, that the customer do not have any complaint about over a month or 2 months, you compensate them, you give them incentives so that they can be able to continue to do well. Then offer loyalty rewards. You have to offer loyalty rewards. Develop a loyalty program that offers discounts or incentives to entice customers to continue using your services. So customer that maybe travel 4 times in a month, you can say, okay, the 5th travel they are going to go, we are going to take 10% or 20% off the price that they are supposed to pay for boarding your vehicle. Then number 13, where you can make money from transport business, to leverage partnerships with other businesses. You have to leverage partnerships with other businesses. Ask local businesses to refer your services to their own customers and partners. This can help you gain more customers and grow your business. Like people, like eateries, you can take flyers and announcing your transport business to flyers, write it in flyers and distribute it in big eateries. Depending, you have to target where the type of customers and passengers that you are targeting are, and you have to reach out to them there. Then number 14, network in the industry. Attend events or seminars related to the transport industry to network and stay informed on the latest industry news. Then number 15 is to invest in marketing. Invest in marketing automation tools so that you don't all the time be physically present. If you're a transporter and you have a transport company, you should have a YouTube channel where you dole out information to people, and from there they can ask questions about your company. Now this YouTube channel is available for you. You can bring your company, your transport company, bring it to this YouTube channel. We are going to help you to do a promo and talk about your company over a number of times, and they need information about your company, they can come around, they can see it, you can refer them to the link of the video where we have talked about your company, and they can see it there, and that is going to help you. So you have to invest in marketing automation tools. Automation tools can help you manage and streamline your marketing activities to ensure your customers are getting the best possible service from you. Then you also have to manage your cost. Managing of cost is very, very important and can never be overemphasized. Make sure to monitor your operational costs in order to keep prices competitive and remain profitable. Then number 17, seek outside investments if needed. Consider seeking investment from venture capitalists or angel investors to help grow your business. You see, you cannot do it alone. You need other people to succeed if you're going to make it big also. So you can seek for venture capitalists, seek for loan from banks, seek for loan from friends, seek for money from your personal savings, seek for angel investors that believe in you and your business, and that way it is going to grow. Then you have to invest in your employees. Offer incentives and reward to your staff. And when you offer incentives and reward to your staff, that will make them to put the interest of your company first, and they are going to do their best to make sure that your transport business prospers and it succeeds. Number 19 way you can make money from transport business is to utilize data-driven analysis or statistics. Collect and analyze data from your customers can refer people to you. So if a customer is a new passenger comes and it tells you that it's being referred by so person, so customer to you, that customer is going to get 5% to 10% of the cost of the transport for that passenger, maybe 1 to 2 to 3%. I'm telling you, those people that if you have affiliate program, people are going to be reaching out to tell more people about your transport business. So partner with other brands or businesses and incentivize customers to offer new clients to your transport business. These are the ways to make money from transport business. I am going to come to you again some other time. If I've given you value through this video, please go to the comment section below and comment that I've given you value. Then I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I want you to get to 3,000 views before the end of 2022. Today is December 24. Before December 31 or before January 1, 2023, I want it to be 3,000 subscribers. So just need about 100 more subscribers. So you can be one of those 100 if you have not subscribed before. If you have customers to gain insights into what services they want. When passengers come when they board your vehicle, give them questionnaires to fill about what they feel can be improved, what they feel should be maintained, what they feel should be added, what they feel should be removed, and other things. This and that is going to help you to make your transport business better, and you are going to make money. Then you need to listen to customer feedback. Regularly ask customers for feedback to ensure their needs are being met and make changes when necessary. There was a YouTube video I watched just yesterday or 2 days ago, and I commented. The video was good, but the volume of the individual was very bad, very poor. You have to listen in and put my gadget on my ears before I could hear what he was saying. I made a comment there that the video was good, it should improve on his volume. So that feedback I've given him, and he responded and he thanked me profusely. That feedback is very, very important. Now, let me also ask you, go to the comment section below and tell me what you think I should do to improve this YouTube channel. What do you think I'm doing well? What do you think I'm not doing well? Let me know in the comment section below so that I can be able to implement your feedback and work on it. Now, in fact, this video I'm doing is as a result of a feedback. Somebody has asked me questions about transport business. He said he wanted to do this, wanted to do that. I've responded to him and told him everything to be done via WhatsApp messages that we exchange together. But at the same time, that prompted me that people are in need of this information, and this is a reaction to the feedback. So what is happening is that I'm listening to customer feedback, and I'm asking you to also give feedback. So your transport business, do the same thing. Now, when people give you feedback, implement it. Implement it. Some people will tell you that your driver should have uniform. Implement it so that the next time they come to board, they see that you have implemented it. Those people are going to be happy, and they are going to keep your company as number one, that your company is going to be a transport company of choice to them. Then number 21, create customer loyalty program. Reward your customers that are loyal to you. I've said that before. Then implement an affiliate program. Affiliate program before, tell other people around you to watch this video and to see the benefit in my channel and to subscribe. So I want you to also like this video. Just that button that shows the thumb up, click it, and then that is it. Then drop your comment in the comment section below. Then share this video among your social networks. My name is Olugbenga Adetitun. I bring you content at my free time. I do YouTube videos at my free time, and I do research at my free time. I go out to seek information at my free time, and I bring you useful comment. I'm going to talk to you in my next video. I've done more than 500 videos as of today. Go to the playlist and check the one that you want. Or if you are looking for a particular information and you are not sure if I have it, what you should do is go on the YouTube search bar. When you open YouTube, there's a search bar. Type into it Olugbenga Adetitun. Then in front of it, maybe you are looking for cashew business, put cashew in front of it. The videos I have about cashew are going to pop up. If you are looking at transport business, go to that YouTube search bar and put there Olugbenga Adetitun. transport business. You want to see the videos I've done about transport business. If you are looking for videos on anything that you are searching for, you're not sure if I have videos on it, go to this YouTube search bar and put the name of the YouTube channel Olubenga Adetitun, and then in front of it put what the type of video you are looking for. If I have videos about it, go to prop up. So I'm bringing you content that are well researched, that are well founded, that are well truth. If you make use of all this content I'm sharing with you, and you make use of them steadily for 1 year, your life is going to become better. If your life does not become better, I make a boast that you should stop watching this channel. But I know your life is going to become better. As I'm doing this video, bringing it to you year after year, I started this YouTube channel in 2019 and today 2022. My life has become better. My YouTube production has become better because you are there and you are giving me feedback. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Until then, watch this video that is coming up now. This is another video that is very, very important. So let's go and watch it. Let's go.